Billy Wakefield. Today I wanted to talk about what happens to me in the night. What usually happens is I have these nightmares where these scary characters try to kill me, and they chase me and they catch up to me. And then they capture me and they tie me up, and then they start thinking of ways to kill me. And right before they kill me, I always wake up. And I go to my parents' bedroom to tell them what happened, and they're like, "Billy, just go back to sleep. This is the 6th time tonight." But I'm like, "But Mom, I'm really scared." And like, "Just go back to bed. You'll be fine." But then sometimes I'm laying in my bed because I'm afraid to go to sleep, and I actually see one of the characters, and I get all scared. I'm like, Mom, but they don't come, and I'm like, "There's a scary character in my bedroom," and they don't believe me. And then sometimes I even see him during the day, like, "There's one right there! Ah,